Hi all, good evening. How are you all doing? Today we are going to talk about a very important and interesting topic which is time management. So what is time management? Managing time effectively. Are we all doing that? Most of us say yes, but majority it will be no. Because we start a work and then we are not able to pace ourselves with the time. And what happens because of that? We end up running behind the time and time runs fast, and then obviously we have to overstretch ourselves. Instead of working for 9 hours, we work for 10, 12, 14 hours, because of which our health is affected. And if our health is affected, the whole of our life cycle gets affected. It affects our personally, it affects family, it affects the work, it affects the staff, organization. A lot of effects are there because of that. So how do we manage time? We need to set our priorities first. What is that which you are going to do? 1, 2, 3, 4. Set our priorities, set our goals, and then work accordingly. Also, in that, one important thing is you should be able to differentiate what is major and what is minor. You cannot spend a major time on minor things and vice versa. In that way, you are going to affect badly, and time is going to will get wasted. So one is that major and minor, differentiate in your priorities of goals. Second thing is concentration. Whatever you are doing, you do that work effectively. For example, if your office is starting at 9 o'clock, you finish off everything from your home and then go to office and start your work. Majority of the people, what we do, including me, I keep getting calls, we are on the work, and then half of the work is done at home, half of the thing we complete. In that way, what is happening is neither of the work is getting completed. Neither we are happy at home, nor the work is getting completed at home, and then subsequently we go to the office and do it. But we are not able to give that specific time, whatever important time, to our family members. So we need to concentrate on one thing at a time. Whenever you are in office, do office job. Whenever you are at home, you spend time with the family. Third important thing is telephones. Use of telephones. Of late, most of the work happens on telephone. And even if we come back from the office, most of our time gets wasted over the phone. There could be several things. People keep calling for small little reasons, and then we keep answering them. Instead of that, think over as to how we can club all the calls at one time, and then maybe ask our subordinates to call only between that time. Could be half an hour, 15 minutes, whichever time, so that all the issues get sorted out during that time, and the other time it is left for you to spend with your family. That had worked effectively in some areas. Of course, things will not wait till the time we have allocated the time for to get it done, but to some extent 90% of the issues can be sorted out in that. Fourth point is, whenever you are working, either at home or at work, give 100% of that time to that category. For example, again, if you have opted for a holiday, then you focus completely on your holiday. What happens is most of the time we keep again getting calls and we get distracted, and then neither we are at on the holiday nor you are at work. Most of the time what happens is when we are in office we keep thinking about, oh, what is happening with the family. I have not spent enough time with the family yesterday, day before, or the entire week. Your office work is getting affected. And whenever you are opting for a holiday, you keep thinking about your office things. Oh no, yeah, what is happening in the office, whether the project is on time or not, whether things are happening properly or not, is there going to be any problem if I am not there. So whole lot of things are there. So managing time is so important that whatever 9 hours of work which is being given to us, we should be able to do it smartly, finish off that entire work within that time, and then come back so that we'll be able to spend time more with family or on any other productive things. These are a few of the points which makes a lot of difference in our lives if we manage time effectively. These are the points which I wanted to convey to you. Please let me know if you have any topics which I can be sharing with you, which will add value to you. If you like this video, please share a like and then as well give feedback. Thank you.